The word will is one of the most common and useful words in English. It helps express the future in different ways. English speakers use will to talk about what they believe will happen, to make promises, or to decide something on the spot. Each use has its own meaning and tone. Learning these uses helps you sound natural and confident when you talk about the future. Will is used to talk about things that we believe or expect to happen in the future. It shows our opinion, guess, or belief about what might happen. For example, you can say, "I think it will rain tomorrow," or "She will be a great teacher one day." These sentences show personal predictions, not certain facts. We often use words like think, believe, or guess with will when we predict the future. Will is used to make promises, offers, or commitments. When we promise something, we are giving assurance that we will do it. For example, "I will help you with your homework," or "I will always be your friend." These sentences show care, support, and responsibility. Using will in this way makes your speech sound reassuring and dependable. Will is used when making quick decisions at the moment of speaking. This means the decision was not planned before. For example, someone says, "I am hungry," and you reply, "I will make some sandwiches." Or you hear a noise and say, "I will open the door." These examples show will used for immediate decisions made on the spot. The negative form of will is will not, or the shorter version won't. We use them when something will not happen or when someone refuses to do something. For example, "I won't go to the party tonight," or "He will not agree to this plan." Won't is commonly used in daily conversation, while will not sounds more formal and is used in writing. To make questions with will, the word will comes before the subject. This structure is used to ask about future actions or intentions. For example, "Will you come to the meeting?" "Will they travel next week?" "Will it rain tonight?" These questions help us ask about plans, expectations, or predictions. The short answers are yes, I will, or no, I won't. In spoken English, will is often shortened to the contraction apostrophe double L. These contractions sound more natural in conversation. For example, "I will becomes I'll," "he will becomes he'll," and "we will becomes we'll." Using contractions makes your speech smoother and more friendly. You will often hear them in everyday communication. Will is a simple but powerful word used to talk about the future. It shows predictions, promises, and spontaneous decisions. The negative forms are will not and won't. In questions, will comes before the subject, like "Will you help me?" The short form with apostrophe double L is very common in everyday speech. Understanding these uses helps you communicate naturally about future events in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.